How to remove account in YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your account in YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this process is different on both iOS and Android. On iOS, your iPhone runs because of Apple ID, so even if you remove your YouTube account, which is a Google account, there's no problem at all. But on Android, your Android runs because of a Google account, and if you do remove your Google account, you have to remove it from your whole device, not only from YouTube app, because YouTube is a Google app. You have to remove it from your whole Android phone. So just come to the profile tab over here. If you are an iOS user, if you tap the switch account option, you would be able to find the option called use YouTube signed out. But here you can see in my case I don't have such option on my Android device. So what you can actually do is instead you can just tap on the manage accounts button here, which will take you to the Google account management page of your Android phone. Then just select the accounts that are you want to remove from YouTube. Now normally if you have two Google accounts, both of them will get automatically signed into YouTube, so you can choose to remove a respective one. Tap on the remove account button, tap on remove to remove those accounts from your device. This way you can go ahead and then basically remove accounts from YouTube. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.